Hi, I'm Maura Hanna. I'm the teacher for the third grade parent-child class at Fairmount Temple. And today we're going to learn a couple new sounds. Well, actually, one's not even a sound at all. Two aren't even sounds at all. What are the two letters that don't make any sound on their own?
Aleph and Ayin.
That's right, Aleph and Ayin. And those two letters only make the sound of whatever vowel marking you put with it. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that in class. But what we want to learn right now is just that those letters don't make any sound on their own. So we have a funny hand motion. It's kind of like zipping your mouth shut. So it's like this. And are you throwing the key? Okay. So those two letters, Aleph and Ayin, don't make any sound. Here are words that have those letters in them. Listen to the first word, Abba. Do you want to say it too?
Sure.
Abba. How about one more time?
Abba.
Okay, what does Abba mean?
Father.
Father. Dad. It's kind of like the informal. It's like Dad. Okay, Abba is spelled with the Aleph. Abba. And it has that special ah marking that we learned last week. We learned 3 ways to make an ah sound.
Why is there an Aleph at the end of Abba? If
It
doesn't make a noise.
That's a really good question. That is just how the word is spelled. Sometimes in Hebrew, we just have to learn that. Show everybody the Aleph. Here's what our Aleph looks like, okay? And then we're talking about, you can set that down, thank you. We're talking about the word Abba. What other sound do you hear in that word?
I hear the
right
from the bet.
Exactly, here it is. And we have a funny hand signal for that. Belly button. And then let's look at the flashcard to show why. Can you see why? It's got, because the letter bet has a belly button. So we point to that to remind us of what it sounds like, okay? So let's hold those down for a second. Okay, so Abba, Dad, and that has the silent Aleph, which just takes on the ah sound, one of those 3 ahs we've learned. Okay, and then the other letter that is another one of these letters, Jay. Do you remember what that one is called again? You can tell me. You can unzip to tell me. Okay. Ayin. Okay, so let's show that one. There's my drawing of an ayin. Okay, so I'm trying to show you what the letters look like when you're going to draw them. Okay, so the word I want you to learn that goes with that is Can you say that word? How about one more time? So that one is kind of a different word. Means like a nation or group of people. And so the picture that you're going to see in your book has a whole bunch of people standing together around a mountain. And that the idea is like Yisrael, that means the Jewish people. Okay? So that's how we use in the ancient sense. Oh, okay, I can hold those. Thank you. Okay, I think everybody's ready to get out their book, don't you? Okay, so pause now. If you don't have your book, you're going to need a pencil too. We'll wait for you. Hi. Okay, so you've got your book now, and I'm going to ask you to look at page 11, and we're going to try writing the new letters and the new words. Okay, so take a minute now to do that, and try writing each letter at least 3 times to make sure you get a sense of how you write it, and make sure you follow the little numbers that are on the page that tell you how. So I'm going to show you quickly. Let's do the sky writing. Follow along with us while we try the sky writing. Let's do Aleph first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try that one more time. That one can be tricky. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of like an X, isn't it?
But they should remember not to connect the 2 lines. Otherwise, it would be the English letter X.
Good point. It really isn't an X. You're right that line doesn't connect.
Otherwise, it would be too easy. It's just...
Right. Good point. Okay, let's show them how to skywrite the ayin. Okay, so follow along with us at home. We'll do it 2 times. It's 1, 2. It's kind of like a Y, isn't it? But it's a little bit different because though there's a much shorter bottom part. Let's show them one more time. 1, 2. Okay, and then let's show how you would write the bait. Let's do that together. Ready? So follow along at home too. It's 1, 2, 3. Can't forget the belly button. Let's show one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, because you got to remember the belly button, right? Okay, so let's show them how to put some of these letters and sounds all together. We're gonna look together at the top of page 11, and I'm gonna read at home. I want you to follow along with your finger or a pencil. Iparon, a pencil. O, which means or. Etzba, finger. Okay? So why don't you follow along too, so you can show them what I mean. Good. So I'll read, then you read. I'm on line 1 at the top of page 11. I hope you are too. Ba.
Ba.
Bomb.
Bomb.
Sham.
Sham.
Ash.
Ash.
That one was tricky, wasn't it?
Really?
Shamash.
Shamash.
Okay, now you try line 1 on your own. Ready? At home too.
Ba. Bomb. Sham. Ash. Shamash.
Nachon. Very nice. Nachon means correct. Sometimes I forget to tell everybody what those extra Hebrew words mean. Do you know that one? Nachon?
Well, I just learned it. So.
Okay, good point. Okay, so let's try reading a little bit more together. I'm going to read the word, and you're going to read it after me, just like we did before. I'm on line 2 now. Show them how we follow along with our finger. Good. Okay, ready? Asham.
Asham.
Shamam.
Shamam.
Amam.
Amam.
Asham.
Asham.
Ama.
Amam.
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 Very nice. So why don't you try to read that one, and at home too.
Asham. Shamam.
Yofi. Yofi. Next one.
Amam.
Nice.
Asham.
Yofi. Look at that one again.
Ama.
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 It's tricky because you're seeing these extra silent letters there. It's like you want it to make another sound, right? But there's no other vowel markings, just the ama. Let's read line 3 together, just like we did the last one. So we're on line 3. I'm going to read first, and then you read after me. Do the same thing at home, just like Jay's doing. Okay? Amam.
Amam.
Ashash.
Ashash.
Sha'am.
Sha'am.
Maba.
Maba.
Ba'ash.
Ba'ash.
Maba.
Maba.
Some tricky ones, huh? Why don't you go ahead and try it now. You two at home, try reading them on your own.
Amam.
Yofi.
Ashash.
Yofi.
Sham. Sha'am.
Sha'am. Very nice.
Maba. Maba.
Maba. Exactly.
Ba'ash.
Yofi.
Maba.
Yofi. You know, we know enough simple words now that we can actually make some Hebrew sentences. I know that seems crazy because we've only talked about 4 words so far. But you know that we can make a sentence. And the sentence is Abba Sham.
Abba Sham.
Abba Sham.
Abba Sham.
So think for a minute about what we know those words mean. What do you think Abba Sham might mean?
Abba means dad.
You can think about it at home too for a sec. What does Abba mean?
Dad.
And what does Sham mean from last week? Sham.
There.
Good.
Dad there.
Dad's there. That's it.
There.
Dad's there. Abba Sham. That's pretty exciting that we can do a Hebrew sentence already. Isn't that cool? I know we have a lot more to learn, but we can keep doing simple Hebrew sentences like that as we go. Okay, so at home, I would like everybody to do page 12 in your book, and that will give you the extra code to enter into the computer game of chapter 2, where you'll get a chance to review all of these sounds and put them together in different ways. Okay, and so we'll see you in class next week, and we say at the end, do you remember that special word at the end?
Lahitraot.
Very nice. Lahitraot.